How to check if an iPhone is blacklisted. If you're concerned that an iPhone might be blacklisted, meaning it's been reported lost or stolen, involved in fraud, or hasn't been fully paid off, you'll want to confirm this before buying or keeping the device. A blacklisted phone can't be activated or used with most carriers, so it's something you want to avoid. Step 1. Find the IMEI number 1. Open the Settings app on the iPhone. 2. Tap General and then select About. 3. Scroll down to find the IMEI number. 4. Tap and hold the IMEI number, then select Copy to save it. Step 2. Use an IMEI Blacklist Checker 1. Open a web browser and search for IMEI Blacklist Check. 2. Choose any trusted site from the search results. 3. Paste the IMEI number you copied earlier into the checker tool. 4. Complete any CAPTCHA or I'm not a robot verification, then proceed. Step 3. Review the results. After submitting the IMEI number, you'll see information about the phone, such as the model and blacklist status. If the status shows clean, the iPhone is not blacklisted and safe to use. If the status shows blacklisted, it means the phone has been reported as lost, stolen, or has an outstanding issue like unpaid bills. A blacklisted phone is typically unusable with most carriers, so if you already bought one, consider returning it or resolving the issue with the seller. Why this is important. Always check the blacklist status of an iPhone before purchasing, especially if it's pre-owned. This ensures you don't end up with a phone you can't use or activate. I hope this guide helps. If it does, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.